So first day on Ryze, I told you I'd keep you up to date. Two things I noticed right away. I took it with water this morning, 1 heaping teaspoon with my water this morning, and then another one in my coffee this afternoon. I did immediately notice in the morning that kind of the anxiety or the urgent intenseness was not there. I definitely felt calmer. I had people depending on me. It was a pretty stressful day, but I didn't feel it like I normally do. I don't know if that was this or just kind of where I was today. And then the other thing I noticed was my stomach was a little calmer. I have some acid reflux things, just stuff like that happens, and my stomach was definitely calmer. It was for first day and not having a lot of this in my system, and they say it takes a few days to feel the full effect. This was not bad. Now, I can't equate all of what happened to this today, but if it's consistent over the next couple of days, then maybe we can equate it to this. We'll see, and I'll keep you all up to date. Thanks for watching.